Radio SI Spotlight. Stories from Slovenia and abroad.
There has just been a very interesting and important meeting of the German and Slovene Chamber of Commerce regarding the financial situation, regarding business between Germany and Slovenia. And I have with me the president of the Chamber, Dagmar von Bohnstein. I think the first question is, looking back, even through COVID, things haven't been so bad. I mean, the business relationship has been quite positive.
Well, things haven't been so bad, but actually end of 2021 they have got even much better than before, and everybody was hoping for an upswing now of the economy, also of the trade relations. And we had a big disappointment with regard to that, because the Russian attack on Ukraine made hopes disappearing. So that is really a big topic now, a big challenge, especially for the companies in Germany with regard to energy. Energy supply, energy security is our biggest topic right now, and companies are really suffering of that insecurity. That is what makes the actual situation really challenging, and we are hoping to find a way out of that situation. In Germany, you can feel it because the growth rate was decreased to 1.5% for 2022 by DIHK. In Slovenia, it is different right now. We have an increase of the perspective to 5.4%. So I would say the situation right now in Slovenia is much better than in Germany. But you know, when Germany coughs, Slovenia gets a cold. That is a saying, and it's for sure that you will have the consequences in Slovenia sooner or later with regard to German situation.
Certainly for some time now, businesses have been attracted to, and I know Germany is a country that's looked toward this region, and Slovenia in particular, for a place to do business. What is so special about the region from a German perspective?
In Slovenia, you know, is the entrance to the whole region, Alpe-Adria. So when you're, and many German companies are, when you're situated in Slovenia, you can, let's say, influence the whole market to the eastern part of Europe. And that is really a big advantage of that location, being close and near to Western Europe and being the bridge to Eastern Europe. That is one of the biggest, let's say, geographical advantages of that country. But on the other hand, you know, Slovenian employees, as we have seen in our survey, are really highly regarded and appreciated because of their loyalty, because of their education. Having Slovene employees is very much in favor for that business destination. And also the suppliers, the Slovene suppliers to German companies, are highly appreciated. That we have a bouquet of positive factors of that business destination compared to the other countries in that region.
So you still have a positive view of the future anyway?
That's my personal view, but I see there is so much potential in that country and in the cooperation with Germany that I'm really positive.
Dagmar von Bohnstein, Dankeschön.
Danke Ihnen. The latest from across the world. Radio SI Spotlight.